Colosseum Rome. Tickets. You can buy in advance, link in description. Colosseum Rome. Tickets. In this comprehensive guide, we, at the Insider's Views, aim to provide you with all the essential information you need to know about the Colosseum, including details on tickets, history, architecture, and tips to make the most of your visit. So, let's delve into the captivating world of one of the most significant historical landmarks, the Colosseum in Rome. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, stands as a remarkable testament to the grandeur of ancient Roman engineering. Constructed under the Emperor Vespasian's reign in AD 72 and completed in AD 80 by his successor Titus, this colossal amphitheater became a hub for thrilling gladiator contests, animal hunts, and even naval battles. The architectural brilliance of the Colosseum reflects the Romans' engineering prowess. With a seating capacity of approximately 50,000 spectators, the amphitheater spans an impressive 189 meters in length, 156 meters in width, and reaches a height of 50 meters. Its elliptical shape and towering façade were ingeniously designed to facilitate smooth crowd flow and ensure everyone could witness the spectacles. To embark on a mesmerizing journey into history at the Colosseum, securing tickets in advance is essential. Get your tickets in advance for many ancient Roman sites. This method offers a hassle-free experience and is recommended for individual visitors or small groups. Ticket kiosks. Ticket kiosks are available on site for last-minute purchases. However, keep in mind that during peak tourist seasons, there might be long queues, and tickets could be sold out. Online ticketing platforms. Several online platforms, authorized to sell Colosseum tickets, provide convenience for travelers to book in advance and avoid the hassle of waiting in lines. Ticket options. When purchasing tickets for the Colosseum, you have several options to choose from based on your preferences and interests. Standard admission ticket. The standard admission ticket grants access to the Colosseum's interior and the first level of seating. It offers an up-close view of the arena and a glimpse into the amphitheater's history. Colosseum Arena Floor Ticket. For a more immersive experience, consider getting a ticket that allows access to the Colosseum's arena floor. This exclusive ticket allows you to walk in the footsteps of gladiators and experience the arena from their perspective. Colosseum Underground Ticket. Venture into the hidden depths of the Colosseum with an underground ticket. This option lets you explore the underground chambers, where animals were kept before their battles and gladiators prepared for combat. Colosseum and Roman Forum Ticket. If you're interested in witnessing more of ancient Rome's marvels, consider a combination ticket that includes access to the Roman Forum, an ancient plaza brimming with historical significance. Tips for an unforgettable Colosseum visit. To ensure you make the most of your visit to the Colosseum, here are some valuable tips. Arrive early or late in the day. The Colosseum attracts a large number of visitors daily, so arriving early in the morning or during the late afternoon can help you avoid the crowds and enjoy a more peaceful experience.